Today, I'm going to be showing you guys the modded version of Discord, and it's actually pretty cool. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so the first thing that you are going to want to do is search up Better Discord. And once you do that, you should see something a little bit like this. You can press any one of these two links, it really doesn't matter. Once you press that, if you scroll down a bit, you can see it shows you got this little installer thing. This is what you're gonna see on the installer. But what you want to go ahead and do is you're gonna select whichever device that you're using. For me, I'm using Windows, so I'm gonna press Windows. After that, it'll start the install of Better Discord, which is the modded Discord. After that is done, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna drag it onto our desktop. So once you guys do have it on your desktop, it should look a little something like this. This is the setup launcher or whatever you want to call it. So all you have to do is open it. After you open it, it should look a little something like this. It should be pretty straightforward from here. Just click accept the license agreement and click next. Choose install Better Discord. And then all you have to do is pretty much just choose which Discord that you're using. There's Discord has multiple different versions of their app. They have Discord PBT and Discord Canary as well. Those are basically just them testing out features that come to platforms a little bit earlier than this one does. For me, I only have Discord, so I'm just gonna press, I'm just gonna use this Discord one, and then go ahead and click install. And once you do that, it'll start installing Better Discord on your Discord. And once you do that, it'll automatically open Discord for you. Once it does open, you can see this loads up. It says Better Discord. And it loads, as you can see, it loads up everything. We'll get into that in a second. We're gonna go down to the user settings, and if you go into the user settings, you're gonna see that it's a bit different. You guys can see that all the Better Discord feature, it has a Better Discord feature added category. As you can see, if we go to settings, there's a bunch of different things that you can do. You can make your own custom CSS. You can also do it right here. If you want to do this part, you gotta know how to do CSS, which is the styling of other websites that you see out there and stuff like that. But if you go to plugins, actually, we're gonna start with the themes one. To download themes, you can go. By the way, all these links will be in the description. By the way, click on. If not not the first two, but the third one. If you click on that, it'll bring you to this page right here. And all you have to do is, once you are on this page, you should see a button that says All Themes. Go ahead and click on that. And then you just can find a theme that you find interesting or that you like. For this video, I'm just going to be doing this Gravity Falls one. You guys probably all seen the show Gravity Falls. I mean, it's pretty popular. Then go ahead and press this download button right here. And once you download, it should start downloading up here on your thing. Go back to Discord, and then go and press Open Theme Folder. If you don't see it opening, it's probably because it didn't pop up on your screen. All you have to do is go down to this bar right here, and it should be right down there for you. So there you go. This is your themes folder, and now it's pretty easy. All you have to do is go to your downloads, and all you have to do is drag your theme and put it right here into this folder. And there you go. And now you can just exit out of that. There you go. You can see it right here on your themes. And then all you have to do is press this enable button. Just press that. And there you go, it should enable the theme for you. And now I have the Gravity Falls theme on here, and it's quite cool. Alright, so now we're gonna go and we're gonna do some plugins. Now, this is kind of a different sort of website, but it's pretty much the same thing. This one is the actual website for the Better Discord, so I will leave that in the description like I said. Go down to plugins, or there's a plugin button right here. Click that, and then you should see a whole bunch of different plugins. It's pretty much the same thing with the themes. What we're going to be using is, I did this in a different video of mine. I'll leave it up here on screen or in a card up here. I'm going to be doing this Show Hidden Channels one. If you download that really quick, you can press keep. I promise it won't harm your device. And then once it is downloaded, again, you're gonna do the same thing. Go to the plugins category. open plugin folder, basically just drag it in. And then it might ask you to install another plugin. Oh, just press install. It won't harm your device, I promise. I've done this multiple times over again. You want it to enable the plugin it had you install, and then you can then enable this show hidden channels one. Once you enable that, if you go into a server that is not yours, you should be able to see the hidden channels. So if I go into the official Fortnite server, you can see that the hidden channels are here for you to see. You can see submit clips, clip of the week, all of these other roles that you wouldn't normally be able to see, or channels that you wouldn't be able to see. So yeah, that's how you do plugins. And so yeah, guys, you can play more around with it if you want to. But that's gonna be it for the video, guys. If you guys did enjoy, make sure to smash that like button. Absolutely destroy it, please. It really is really helpful to me. Okay, just do it or I'll be under your bed. And I will see you guys next time in the next video. Peace out.